Woo! Game day, man. This is why I do it. And I hope you're doing it for the same reasons I'm doing it. Today, I'm giving all I got for everybody in this room. Because it is the last opportunity for the 10th team in Charlotte to get out there on that field. So you have to keep pounding every snap. We've learned a lot of lessons. Right now, today is the day we teach the team we're playing a lesson. We teach them a lesson about what it's like to persevere. We teach them a lesson about what it's like to ball out for 4 quarters. We got to do that today. And you got to do it every play. And it starts as we walk down there and you start getting your mind ready to play again. Let's play fast. Let's play physical. Let's play better. Let's ever quit. Ever. We are pushing forward every play.
Deep down the near side for Grant to post. What a catch!
I be NBA, you know I ain't never gonna say. New contract being like I play ball, little boy ain't nothing to play with. I told her pull up, she told me she can't hunt, be sharing location. I was riding in the ghost with a ghost gun, seeing you out with your kids, so you old one. And my man in the can while you taking out the trash, you gon' pop with the mat like don't run.
Hand off Calvin Camp, into the end zone. Touchdown in Charlotte, and the senior running back. Here comes Watts, Liddy gets the throw off, almost intercepted, it is picked off. What a grab! Gonna go over the middle again, he's got Thompson again, inside the 10, down to the 1-yard line. Snap is down, hold is there, kick is up, and the kick is good. Very often, roll, they'll throw it back, and it's picked off by Marquise Watts. Watts going the other way. His final collegiate game, Marquise Watts. Calvin Camp patiently finding room, and Calvin Camp inside the 10, he's into the end zone. Touchdown, Calvin Camp, his second of the day. Reynolds, what a one-handed grab.
She wanna go to the mall. Got up and went to the pop-up in Louis and saw it and ordered it all. I'm in it with the voice in the hair.
Hand off, Calvin Camp coming here near side. He's got some room inside the 40. Calvin Camp. Calvin Camp going right up the middle. Calvin Camp on senior day is in the end zone for the 3rd time.
Grit and determination in this room is palpable. You can feel it. You can touch it. I appreciate everything you've done. Man, you could have easily hung it up this week, man. But you got it. And it's you. I told you there is no pixie dust. We coached you hard every day. You know why we coached you hard? Because we loved you. We love you. That's why we coach you hard. You're going to be successful. Charlotte football is in great hands. You understand that? Yes, sir. I love you boys. Everybody in one last time. Yeah. One last time for the 10th, for the Team 10 Charlotte football. 1, 2, 3, Charlotte!